Hello?
Hi,
Hello, darling.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, my dear. You?
I'm okay, darling. I
Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Miami. I'm in
Pardon?
Miami. I'm in Miami.
Are you calling from Miami? Are you gonna wish me happy birthday, baby?
Of course, I call you to wish you a lovely birthday, darling.
Thank you. Blessed love, Queenie. What's your name?
My name is Stacy.
What's your name?
Stacy, I've been telling you to add Dewey. Dewey's been telling you to add him.
What? I like them I tell. Doing it up on my page. Don't mind the
I
mix up.
saw him. I saw him. He
Where?
was in the comments saying had me.
A fake page. Him can't come in as a come at me. My black him and him black me.
Oh, you look like you're glad for talk to do it, so come see like you look.
So what me for look? Something wrong with that. Me not human. Me not somebody say if you come and give me a story, me not supposed to. My ears are supposed to open. My eye look.
No, okay, look like your face bright up a little bit.
So is that a crime? Why are
Mm.
you come to question me or contest me? What? How should I feel or what should I think? That's rude. Leave me alone.
It's not rude. Do
It's
if you only have
fucking rude.
fat in your mouth
Lady,
because there's a man
lady,
idiot.
lady, my very
Do if you
sensitive
only have
lady.
fat in your mouth today, you know you deserve a fat in your mouth, Queenie. Do if you fat in your mouth when him come back, you know, because he's a real man idiot, you know.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Oh, time your birthday.
Fart in my mouth, girl. Ha! Come
What's
fart
rotten teeth? What's rotten teeth? What's rotten teeth?
in my mouth.
I want to do it, let's say, with a dimple.
Smile a while I get them flowers, Queenie.
Do it, let's say, with a dimple.
I'm glad it's a
A
God.
Queenie, I wish you name there Spar Samantha. A
Ah,
Queenie and Samantha Spar Samantha with them still.
wow. You finish? Wow. Give yourself a clap. Smile a while and give your face a rest. Blessed be thy name, God. Touch her from the crown of her head to the sole of her feet. Give her strength to come back, come cuss me. Blessed love. Glad it's a God. Say yes, God, you bless Queenie. So important. So relevant. Everybody want to beat me over my life. My greatie. Ah! Ah! Queenie at plus black tax. Queenie a shot. On my birthday, them grudge me for two blood clot. Ah! Ah! All who don't born December 2 is PAT. I really nice and sweet. The whole army, all when the whole army come, no can conquer me. I rebuke you, lot, and I send you back to the pit of hell, Satan. I rebuke you, I rebuke you, I rebuke you. No weapon formed against the queen shall prosper. I will always smile and be happy. And God make me joyful. You see that joyfulness, it's beautiful. Okay? One queen in our deck. Oh, I think somebody want to come thief me. The queen reign. Them fully. One wife, yes. I'm so glad man I eat that you say. Hey, it's my spirit good, you know. I have such a beautiful spirit. That's why nobody can change me. So she approached me. She approached me like she's one of the above that's concerned. And just the way she said to me how me look like me I look so. I may say, why would you say that? If you're in a class and somebody say Queenie, obviously you go look. So regardless the man hate me and can't stand me and despise me, he did married to me. So if you not say something and come to me with something in my plate and me take the fork and joke it, why you gonna ask me to take the fork and joke it? My mate's different. And just asking you and saying to you, why would you say that? So what if my interested? That you bring something to me. One people can't chat people. So if you come and chat something to me and my ears raise and me a listen, why then you gonna put me down? And by my contest, you start take it on You know, you ever see green hose them? Where they are Jamaica, you screw on the hose. So when you wrap up the hose, that's so she take my it up a while ago. I'm just take it back from her and just wheel out back it, move your dirty man. No clout no can't test me now. So now you that. God give me strength and power. You know, so my heart full and turbo and stronger and anointed and gifted and great and powerful. You know why? Me not in a no to no life. The whole I know in my blood. Every fart, my fart. Bap. When I win, man. Win. You know Fawt? Let Fawt be wherever it be Fawt. And you see me, I'm a nice birthday spirit. Only can't take on my spirit. Remember me telling you that. I'm excited over my birthday where God give me. Nobody can deny me of that. I'm beautiful. Inside, out, upstairs, downstairs, underneath the cellar. Don't try to break the vibes, girl. Don't do it. You say you saw me a bum a while ago. That one, you. You know them energy there. I come away from myself. Me not come nobody way, you know. Any come knows my back. Any come away. My bite out to no dirty crab on a knob on a dirty. I keep my smile, my joy, my peace. Move on a dirty like the Queen reign. Long live Queen. Long live Queen Lady Gangster. Move on a dirty. When the man don't me to not still not satisfied. I never see nothing so from about no time my mama got told. How let me get dumped and park like a park. Try me just stay and just a hawk so. I'm still not satisfied. Since I don't know why I'm bad curry goat me. On a jerk pork me because it look like I couldn't have no curry for curry. It's a jerk pork me done some jerk season. And put me in one pan and jerk me nasty. I eat my blood jerk DNA. Why? Why I love Queenie, you know? Nobody can change me. I got not gonna change me, you know. This cruel tech unkind world. One more no I do. I don't understand. Me on a reason. Come here. And clear the air before my birthday come. Me on a reason. What is the problem? Me ask you now. God knows. Me not understand this. Me on a reason. Cause you still there. Me not black you. Me not put you off. For my birthday. I want you watch me for my birthday. So me not black you. What is the problem? You know defeat me. Lick me down 9 times. I'ma get up back and turn up tall. You come all and tell me about my face. Then the song and tell me about my face, the art me about my face. Hmm? Hmm? What more do you really want? You know what? I turn the magic. Them you ever see magic in a poker? The little wiggle magic them. Them say touch poker the sweetest blood. And I turn me in a magic. Take me don't know what else you want. Talk the truth. I know I'm going 6 feet down. Urkel want me on a reason. Let me turn on the music now. Me need to clear this. Tell me now. How do I have problem with me being dump? Me dump on the still not satisfied. What do I want? Why? Them they like me. Why? Me not mind it. Yeah. Confet still. What's that? No, me ask more and them tell me. What would you like me to do? Because the only thing I can do is take me, you know, throw rope and kill me. And then I take my make my body decompose. And then magic take me up. And then I can put me in the jerk pan. So I jerk me like pork skin. Come in and I forgot name me dirty. I'm a DNA got in nobody so no still. Me not understand what I want. Say no, I don't want me dead. So get rid of me. I'm gonna fight me for my speech, my knowledge, my truth, my realness, my hurt, my disappointment, my disrespect, my defeat, everything with a fight before I just start all serious and just smile a while and give your face a Queenie beautiful. I know you that.